my attention that I did not really show you how to make a radio play. So let me just go back to step 4 and make this step 4.5. So yeah, we might want to go into your computer, then open iMovie. Then I'll just use this as an example.
Well, Johnny, maybe you shouldn't just go outside and basically attack squirrels. It's not healthy for you.
It's a free country, Mom. I can do what I want. I think your mother is right, Johnny. Maybe you should just go outside and play with your friends instead of attacking squirrels. Fine, Dad. You're not the boss of me, but I'll still listen to you. Because you own the house. So does Mom.
So, this is an example I made at the last minute. It's short and sweet and to the point, more or less. So what I need to start is making sure that it sounds good because, well, let me just play this without a anti-background noise. Well, actually, you already heard this, so, yeah, it was completely pointless if we didn't saying that. So, yeah, it kind of echoes a bit. So if we press reduce background noise, which as soon as we click on this and then go to sound, this, yeah, this icon right here. And then we press reduce background noise and then crank it up to 100, at least I like to do that. You can hear that it sounds a little bit better.
Well, Johnny, maybe you shouldn't just go outside and basically attack squirrels. It's not healthy for you.
It's a free country, Mom. I can do what I want. I think your mother is right, Johnny. Maybe you should just go outside and play with your friends instead of attacking squirrels. Fine, Dad. You're not the boss of me, but I'll still listen to you. Because you own the house. So does Mom.
Yeah. So, yeah, it sounds really good. So, next we just got to, well, cut out all the stutters and whatnot. Now, I didn't hear any stuttering because I don't stutter too much. But, anyway, let's go on to step 3 of 4.5. And that is to add music. So, we're gonna have to go into Safari, then Audio Blocks, because it's free and you don't have to use any credits, and that's how I roll. Then, we just search up music. Let's see, ambience, here we go. No, that doesn't sound too great. That one neither. No. No. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna... Excuse me for 1 minute. Alright, there you go. Thank you, Traveler. Now back to the video. So, now that we get that, we are going to go back to the ambience because it kicked us out for some reason. So, let's just find out one thing again. Here we go. And it will not let us download that, so let's go into VB Access Only. Okay, this will do. When it downloads, it'll pop up in iTunes, so all we gotta do is, there's no update available. I do not care right now. So then we just gotta go to quit iTunes. Then we simply just gotta go back into iMovie. Then we just go into iTunes. Then we find our thing. No. Where is it? Okay, so I couldn't find that one, so, well, the one we downloaded, so I just got a random one. Now, let's turn it down so we can actually hear the actors. Now, how does this sound?
Well, Johnny, maybe you shouldn't just go outside and basically attack squirrels. It's not healthy for you.
It's a free country, Mom. I can do what I want. I think your mother is right, Johnny. Maybe you should just go outside and play with your friends instead of attacking squirrels. Fine, Dad. You're not the boss of me, but I'll still listen to you. Because you own the house. So does Mom.
Okay, that's good. Now, next on the list is to add maps and backgrounds. I mean, just backgrounds and titles. And then we simply just gotta... I'm gonna go with... I don't know, retro for this one. And just add it for our titles. We just simply gotta do, I don't know, pop-up for this one. I'm gonna call this one, as you can see right here, the exam hall. Okay, there we go. Now all we gotta do now is, let's see how this looks. It looks pretty good. Now let's just add the music over here as well. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, let's just, I don't know, add blobs, for example, as a background. It's always hard doing this part, trying to match it up just right, and then we just had to cut the end of the music. Here we go. Okay, now that we got that, we should also do transitions. Now, you should either do cross dissolve or cross blur. I just do cross dissolve. Okay, there's the first one. Now we should also do one for the beginning as well. Then fade in the music as well. Now let's see how it looks.
Johnny, maybe you shouldn't just go outside and basically attack squirrels. It's not healthy for you.
It's a free country, Mom. I can do what I want. I think your mother is right, Johnny. Maybe you should just go outside and play with your friends instead of attacking squirrels. Fine, Dad. You're not the boss of me, but I'll still listen to you. Because you own the house. So does Mom.
Next, we should add some credits. So what I'm gonna do is simply just extend the background a little more. And it's gonna be produced by me, of course. I do all the voices around here most of the time. Well, at least for my first video, The Unpleasant Visitor. It's a good movie. You should probably watch it. I'll probably put it's probably gonna be in the recommended things. Let's see. Produced by, and then my name. And then we gotta get rid of the bottom part. Now let's see how it looks.
Johnny, maybe you shouldn't just go outside and basically attack squirrels. It's not healthy for you.
It's a free country, Mom. I can do what I want. I think your mother is right, Johnny. Maybe you should just go outside and play with your friends instead of attacking squirrels. Fine, Dad. You're not the boss of me, but I'll still listen to you. Because you own the house. So does Mom.
Okay, there we go. So, after that, we can go on to sound effects, just in case. But we don't need sound effects right now. You probably need sound effects, but not me. So, I got a lot of editing ahead of me. That's all I wanted to say. It's a little more awkward than I wanted it to be. But anyway, I'll see you later, and bye-bye.
Tyler's Radio's Place, a Jeff Media company.